Yo, what is good too? Welcome to the Villa Vince channel. Today, man, I'm gonna be talking about ways you can promote your clothing brand. I'm gonna talk about ways that I have been doing it. I'm gonna talk about ways other people have been doing it that I've seen work, and we just gonna talk about it. Boom. Number one, the first way to promote your clothing brand is through Instagram and Facebook. Instagram ads, Facebook ads. I will say that Instagram ads don't really convert to sales as much, but it does get your image, your brand out there more, and Facebook ads as well. I think Facebook ads actually convert more than Instagram ads. Yeah, it's just a good way to grow your portfolio, I guess, while pushing out a product. So if you do end up making a sale, good for you, but you're still getting your clothing brand out there for people to see. So that's the number one way. Number two, I would have to say, is TikTok. I personally don't use TikTok to promote Mercy the Soul, because personally I think I would just be stretched too thin. So that's why I personally don't use TikTok. But TikTok, I will say, is the best promotion platform ever. And honestly, I should take my own advice. But I'm just being real with you guys. Like, I'm not going to front. I don't have a TikTok for Mercy, so I don't promote my YouTube on TikTok. We're talking about overnight growth. That is the platform to do it. So number three, I will say, is that you got to wear your own stuff. Like, you yourself, the brand owner, you just got to wear it, bro. You know what I'm saying? Wear it to school, wear it to work, wear it when you going out. Like, just do all that. If you're not going to wear your own shit, bro, no one else is going to put it on. You know what I'm saying? So just wear your own shit. And as most of you guys know, I am a believer of the item gonna sell itself. You know what I'm saying? You gonna wear it, people are like, oh, like, did you make that? Or like, oh, where'd you get that from? And it's gonna sell itself, bro. So yeah, wear it, promote it, do whatever you gotta do, bro. So tying to like you wearing it, I would say also give it to your friends and family. Don't give it to everybody. Honestly, give it to people that you really like you really tight with. You know what I'm saying? Like, give it to people that are really in your circle. And if I'm being honest, bro, however much you are charging your item for, you aren't gonna make profit. You aren't gonna be rich off of your people's money. You know, if that makes sense. So honestly, I don't see a point in hassling people around you to buy it, because I know some people are like, you're not getting a free hoodie from me, like, you gotta buy it from me, you gotta show me that you support me. Like, it's just one person, you know what I'm saying? Just one or two people that fuck with you on a day-to-day basis. So I don't see the harm giving them a free one. And especially if they like the material, they're gonna like pass it on, they're gonna promote it for you. But yeah, personally, I don't believe in like being so money hungry when it comes to, you know, this clothing shit, because you know, like, I try to do free shipping for you guys. I try to do giveaways, and yeah, man. So you wear it, give it to your people will wear it, and it's gonna sell itself, promote itself, like I've been saying. All right, so moving on to one of the last ways to promote it is through like the actual website. So first, I already kind of made a video on how to make a website. That was 2-3 videos ago. Inside each establishment that I named, it was like Wix and Shopify, the two main ones. They have marketing tools, they have marketing SEO. Those websites will help you push your product through Google. But I will add this: if anybody has bought from your website, they're entering their phone and they're entering their email. I personally think that email marketing is really underrated. Because, bro, hear me out. Everybody checks their emails. Like, everybody that I know check their email. Everybody older than me check their email. Everybody younger than me check their email. Everybody check their emails. Once they buy something from you, they put in their email, they put in information. You have their email, so just send out an email list to all your previous customers, and just like be like, oh, make an ad, like, oh, I got a drop or whatever, and like they will see it. Email marketing is really underrated, so I will leave it at that. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, Mr. Villa Vince channel. I missed some uploads. I missed a little bit of uploads, but we're back on it, and I love you guys, man. I'm out.